The good part for Edge equation Lite is the basic power unit or related unit are keeping stable, but the changeable part is changeable. And you can let's have the detailed look at what we integrated inside for the technology. Actually, you can see that we highly integrated the whatever solar unit or UPS unit with the surge suppressor and smart breaker put it in one slot. We don't use the typical way, typical breaker or typical surge suppressor, which we can see that in the market some stingray based breaker or surge suppressor, which we know that it's very big. You have to put an MCB slot something, it's kind of complex. Also, we have to connect the cable, the thing is not easy. But if we do the job like this, put a 1 PWU slot, everything is integrated. So you don't have to do this kind of job to connect the smart breaker with the surge suppressor, then UPS. You don't have to do the connection job. On the other hand, every slot, all the signaling are connected to the signal and the power panel, which this power panel is like a motherboard. So we also give very good, very clear label with all the cables. Normally you don't have to touch it because it's already pre-integrated. But really something happened, it's very easy for you to debug because there's a very clear label and this is only a motherboard. And what do? You just how to say, take it out and put it in. This board is based on the PCB, so it's not a lot of you don't have to connect a lot of cables, and then we reserve a lot of ports there, so it is very easy for you to expand a future requirement. For example, give one more channel of DC12, DC24, or you would need some special voltage. It's kind of easy for us. So with this kind of design, you don't have to work on this kind of things. You don't need the cables. You don't worry about this part anymore. We don't think this cabling is a good way to do the job because at the beginning probably you can make it very organized, but when time passed and engineer change, for long term, the operation and maintenance will get some problem like this. This is what we always saw. So how we figure the job, and if we manage the job like this way, we never facing the challenge of the cable part.